everyone, welcome back to this session of English. In this session, we are going to discuss previous year questions of Adjective. These questions have taken from SSC MTS exams. You will definitely find this session helpful in preparing this topic for your exams. So let's begin the session. This topic helps you out in spotting errors, sentence improvement, fill-ups, clause test, etc. The questions which we have to do in this session are spotting errors. The direction for these questions are: read each sentence to find out whether there is any grammatical error in it. The error, if any, will be in one part of the sentence. The letter of that part is the answer. If there is no error, the answer is D. So we will be given a sentence of which some parts have been made. We have to select that particular part that contains the error. This is a grammatical error depends on adjective. Depending on adjective. So now let's begin the questions. So the first question is, it is a desert place. Now for a place, we use the word deserted. This desert is incorrect. We write a word that is deserted. Deserted refers to remote area or an area beyond the area where people live. Now this desert refers to sands. It means a place where there are sands. For example, the Sahara Desert, the Thar Desert. So here this word desert is incorrect. It should be replaced with deserted. So the correct word will be deserted, that is remote area. So the error is in part B. So our answer is B. Now let us move to the next one. Mango, the most unique fruit, is available in India in plenty. Now whenever there is any word like unique, or it is a complete word in itself, for example, complete, right, wrong, or we have words like circular, round, any shape, or we have words like absolutely. So any of these words like perfect, which are complete in themselves, we do not use any such word like most or more before it, because these words are complete in themselves. We do not need any prefix before them. Therefore, this most word is incorrect before it, and the is also incorrect. Mango, a unique fruit. Now unique, this word unique pronounces as unique. So it is pronounced as U. It means a consonant sound. Therefore, we need article A before it. So mango, a unique fruit, is available in India in plenty. Therefore, the error is in part A. So our answer is A. Now let us move to the next one. The two last chapters of the book are very interesting. Now, whenever we have an ordinal number and a cardinal number, we write ordinal first and then cardinal. And before ordinal, we need to write the. So the two last should be replaced with the last two. So the correct sentence will be, the last two chapters of the book are very interesting. So the error is in part A. So our answer is A. Now let us move to the next one. His composition is inferior than mine. Now whenever there is any comparative word like inferior, superior, prior, anterior, posterior, senior, junior, any such words, these are not comparative degrees, these are comparative words. So whenever we have any comparative word, we always use to and not then. Then is used in comparative degrees. For example, young, younger, youngest, old, older, oldest. But these are comparative words. They do not have any positive degree of them. For example, elder is elder, and we cannot write eld in positive degree. It is inferior. We do not have any positive degree of such words. Therefore, these words are comparative words, not comparative degrees. And if they are not comparative degrees, we need to preposition after them, not then. So this then is incorrect. It should be replaced with to. So the correct sentence will be his composition is inferior to mine. Therefore, the error is in part C. So our answer is C. Now let us move to the next one. I answered the questions as best as I could. Now, whenever we have as and as a structure, we always use positive degree of adjective and not superlative or comparative degree. Best is a superlative degree of adjective, which is incorrect over here. It should be replaced with good. So we can write the sentence like, I answered the questions as good as I could. Therefore, the error is in part C. So our answer is C. If we need a superlative degree over here, we have to remove this as and as a structure from here. Now let us move to the next one. We in India can look forward to a comfortable and settled life in 21st century. In the 21st century. Now in this sentence, we can see we in India can look forward to a comfortable and settled. Now the settle word is a verb. So we need an adjective over here. So we have to make this in participle form. So it should be settled. We need a participle over here to qualify a noun. Because life is a noun, and to qualify a noun, we use an adjective or a participle, not a verb. So we in India can look forward to a comfortable and settled life in the 21st century. This comfortable is an adjective itself, whereas the settle is a verb. So to make it participle, we need third form of it or the second form. So our answer is C. So our answer is C. Now let us move to the next one. He stated that he prefers tea than coffee. Same thing. After prefer, we write to, not then. So this then should be replaced with to. So the error is in part C. So our answer is C. The correct sentence will be, he stated that he prefers tea to coffee. Now let us move to the next one. Not much people realize his sincerity. Now, there are two types of adjective. One is much and other is many. Many is always used with countable nouns, whereas much is used before uncountable noun. For example, much better, or we can say much money, much milk, much water. But with countable noun, we use many. Now, people are countable. And if they are countable, we need to write many in place of much. So not many people realize his sincerity. Therefore, the error is in part B. So our answer is B. Sorry, this much word is written in part A. So the error is in part A. So our answer is in part A because this part contains the error. So our answer is A. Now let us move to the next one. He runs more faster than I. Now, we cannot have two comparative degrees together. This is superfluous. So when there is a word fast, it is a positive degree. For it, we can use faster as comparative degree and fastest as superlative degree. Now, if I need a comparative degree, I can write faster. We need not write more over here because more makes the word comparative, which is not needed over here. We have fast in comparative degree as well. So we need not write more before it. So the correct sentence will be, he runs faster than I. So the error is in part B. So our answer is B. Now let us move to the next one. Bengal tigers are now almost extincted. Now there is a word extinct. Extinct means something that is not in existence now. Here, Bengal tigers are now almost extincted. So this extincted word is incorrect. It should be extinct according to the sense of the sentence. Extincted. Extinct is not a verb that needs its participle. In fact, extinct is an adjective itself. We need not write extincted. Therefore, the answer is C, because the C part contains error. So our answer is C. Now let us move to the next one. Ramesh was a senior to Suresh in college. Now, senior always takes a preposition with it. So, Ramesh was senior to Suresh in college. The entire sentence is correct. So, our answer is D. There is no error. With any comparative word, we write to, not then. Now, let us move to the next one. The girls watched intently as the model applied her makeup with a practiced hand. Now, this practiced word is incorrect over here. It should be replaced with a skilled hand. A hand should be skilled. That means it shows the talent of somebody, the skills of somebody. But if I write practiced, practiced means to practice again and again. That is a verb. It cannot be used as an adjective or a participle. So our answer is C, because this error is in part C. Now let us move to the next one. This watch is superior and more expensive than that one. Now this is very important sentence. Whenever we have and, we need to write same degree of adjective on both the sides. Second thing, if there is an adjective and a preposition, with some adjectives we use some prepositions only and that are predefined. We cannot use any preposition with every adjective. For example, here the word is superior, and with superior we know well that after superior we need a preposition, that is to. More expensive is a comparative degree which is compared to something else, and that needs then as a preposition to be added. But the superior, if I have not written to after it, it means superior is also joined with then, which is incorrect. Therefore, we need to add to after the word superior. So the correct sentence will be, this watch is superior to and more expensive than that one. This happens when two sentences are joined together with the coordinating conjunction and. And these are two separate sentences. This is like, this watch is superior to that one, or this watch is more expensive than that one. Now these two sentences have been merged. So whenever we merge such sentences together, we need to write prepositions according to the adjectives which are required. So the correct sentence will be, this watch is superior to and more expensive than that one. This will be the correct structure. So the error is in part A, because we need to add to after the word superior. So our answer is A. Now let us move to the next one. No other newspaper has so large a circulation like this newspaper in India. So when there is written so large a circulation, we use as with it to show the examples. Therefore, the error is in part C, where so and as makes the pair to show the example. So our answer is C. Your like has to be replaced with as. Now let us move to the next one. We can decide it only after further investigation. Now, further refers to distance. And there is one more word, that is further. That means additional or some more. So here we need some more information or some more investigation. So therefore this word further is incorrect. It should be replaced with further. So our answer is C. The error is in part C, so our answer is C. Now let us move to the next one. The Hindu is most popular than any other newspaper in India. Now, the Hindu is the name of the newspaper, is most popular. Now, this most popular is a superlative degree of popular. So, we need to add the, because with every superlative degree of adjective, we have to use the before it. So, the correct sentence will be the Hindu is the most popular than any other newspapers in India. Therefore, the error is in part B. So, our answer is B. Before every superlative degree of adjective, we use the. Now let us move to the next one. Every scientific invention has proved much harmful to society than beneficial. Now, it's a case of comparative degree. Now, comparative degree can be used in a sentence in two ways. How? Suppose we have one person and two qualities are being compared. It means two qualities of the same person are being compared. The another structure is we have two persons and one quality of them has been compared between these two persons. So in this structure, we only use the word more to convert the word into comparative degree. But if two persons are there and we need only one quality to compare between those two persons, we need to add either er as a prefix, as a suffix, or more as a prefix. For example, if I say A is taller than B, now here we have only one quality and two persons. This shows that A is taller and B is shorter. So only one person is there, only one quality is there, which is compared between these two persons. So this is this structure. We have used ER, taller, because with tall we can write suffix ER. But if I say A is taller, then stronger. Now, in this sentence, only one person is there, which has two qualities, taller and stronger. So, his one quality exceeds another quality. In this method of writing, this taller word is incorrect. Instead, it should be written A is more tall than stronger. It means there is only one person and two qualities have been compared. Or more tall than strong. Therefore, this much is incorrect. Instead, we should write more. So, every scientific invention has proved more harmful to society than beneficial. It means it is not beneficial, but more it is harmful to the society. So, the answer is C. Here, much should be replaced with more. So, our answer is C. Now, let us move to the next one. These all mangoes are ripe. Now, these all is incorrect structure of writing. It should be replaced with all these mangoes. So, error is in part A. So, our answer is A. Now, let us move to the next one. Thanks to medical research, our lives have become healthier and long. So, whenever we have and, we should write same degree of adjective on both the sides. Same degree of adjective. Now, if here we have comparative degree, here also we should have comparative degree, so it should be longer. So, thanks to medical research, our lives have become healthier and longer. So, error is in part C, so our answer is C. Punctuation errors are not counted. Therefore, if there is an error of comma or full stop, it should be ignored. Now let us move to the next one. The railways have made crossing the track a punished offense. Now, offense refers to crime, not the criminal. Punished means to punish someone, or when somebody is punished. We write punished. For example, the punished student. But we do not punish the crime. In fact, we punish the criminal. It should be punishable. Now, this punished should be replaced with punishable. For offense, we write punishable. Crime, that means the crime for which the punishment has to be given necessarily. So, our answer is C. This part contains the error. So, our answer is C. Now, let us move to the next one. His son is working very hardly. Now, hardly is a negative word which means not working at all. But whenever we write hard, it means with labor, with hard work, means he's very industrious. Hard is a positive word which needs efforts, or which means with lot of efforts, with lots of efforts. So this hardly is incorrect word. It should be replaced with hard. Therefore, the error is in part C. So our answer is C. This word is positive word, that he is working very hard. Now let us move to the next one. Finally, after long years of hardship, he succeeded, which completely altered his outlook of life. Now in this sentence, it is written the word long. Long means lengthy years. But here we are talking about the number of years. Therefore, this long is incorrect over here. It should be replaced with many years. After many years of hardship. Therefore, the error is in part A. So, our answer is A. This is very, very simple but logical. So, let us move to the next one. Some people consider wealth superior than wisdom. I have already told you with superior we use to, not then. Therefore, the error is in part C. So, our answer is C. Correct sentence will be some people consider wealth superior to wisdom. Now, let us move to the next one. As sooner as you reach the port, report to the desk officer. As I have already told you, with as and as we need only positive degree, so this as sooner as is incorrect. It should be replaced with as soon as. So the error is in part A. So our answer is A. The correct phrase is as soon as. Now let us move to the next one. I like to drink coffee, but he prefers tea than coffee. The same sentence is again here. Then should be replaced by to. We write to preposition with the word prefer. So the error is in part B. So the error is in part C. So our answer is C. Now let us move to the next one. The technician reminded them to have a thoroughly cleaning of the machine after each use. Now cleaning is noun or a gerund. So whenever there is a noun, it should be preceded by an adjective or qualified by an adjective. So this thoroughly word is incorrect. It should be replaced with thorough. Therefore, the error is in part B. So our answer is B. This thoroughly should be replaced with thorough cleaning. Now let us move to the next one. I always prefer working in a released atmosphere than one full of tension and anxiety. Now this word released is incorrect over here. It should be relaxed. Released refers to when something has been made free. And relaxed means free of tensions. So it should be relaxed in place of released. So our answer is B. Because the error is in part B, it should be replaced with relaxed. So the correct sentence will be I always prefer working in a relaxed atmosphere than one full of tension and anxiety. Now let us move to the next one. Manjeet said that he preferred a white shirt than a colored one on any festive occasion. Now, very simple again, then should be replaced with to. With preferred, we use to, not then. So our answer is part C, because the incorrect word is written in C option. So our answer is C. Now let us move to the next one. No variety of mango produced in our country is as tasty as this variety. Now, in this sentence, no variety of mango produced in our country, it means we are comparing any variety of mango is as tasty as this variety. So, the sentence is absolutely correct. There is no error. So, our answer is D. That is no error. Now, let us move to the next one. Amrita was so overburdened by office work that she felt tired at the end of the day. So, it should be overburdened, not burden. So, in this sentence, this word overburden should be replaced with overburdened, overburdened, because we need a participle to modify or to qualify this Amrita noun. So, error is in part A, so our answer is A. The correct sentence will be Amrita was so overburdened. Amrita was so overburdened by office work that she felt tired and at the end of the day. Now let us move to the next one. Small farmers do not get the required support from outside the farming sector. So this require is a verb, whereas we need a participle over here to qualify this noun support, so it should be required in place of require. So our answer is B, because this part contains the error. Now let us move to the next sentence. This is the last sentence of the session. Our country has largest number of trained computer experts in the world. Now largest is a superlative degree of adjective which needs an indefinite which needs a definite article before it. So the should be used before it. So error is in part A. So our answer is A. So this was the last sentence of today's session. I hope all the sentences are clear to you all. Thank you very much.